the pioneer of technical analysis in India, only on ET Now.
The strategy for the day?
Yeah, I think everybody is sort of hesitant after being extremely gung-ho yesterday. You know, a lot of movement towards the end of yesterday smacked of aggressive short covering. We didn't really see too much of a follow-through today, maybe a little bit in the morning, then we actually spiked up slightly above previous day's highs. But then the market has been quite unable to hold on to those levels and is trading down. Okay, not much by way of any aggressive selling, seems to be just stray profit taking. But you're seeing the ticker move a lot more slowly today, so not too much activity out there. I think everyone is waiting for what the Fed is going to say and how that is going to pan out across the globe, both in the US and the Europe. I think people will play a waiting game today across the day. So we look to be set for some more dullness as we wind down into the close.
CK, even in a dull and a little nervous market like this, banks are holding out. Does it seem like a one-off move, or do you get conviction that private banking stocks, like in particular ICICI Bank, would see at least run up in the near term?
Well, I think the market is sort of taking maybe a view on the rupee. You know, the rupee weakness could have actually created some treasury gains for most of these set of banks which are active in, in that space. So I think there is a feeling that the treasury gains for this particular quarter should be pretty snappy, considering that the rupee has had such a big movement, but neither the, let's say, the exporters nor the importers have really fared very well, and people might have got really caught out on both ends. So I think all those gains might possibly, this is a theory, I don't know the innards of it, but it's one of the theories one is hearing across the market, which is probably why the banks are faring somewhat better as maybe compared to the Nifty, wherein if you had seen across the whole of last week, the banks were faring much worse than the Nifty. So slight amount of outperformance, yes, but I would link it probably to the persisting weakness of the rupee.
All right, hang in there, CK.